Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Anatomy. I'm Sean. Today we're back working on the Porsche build, and where we left off on the last video, we got all of the dents and dings pulled out, filled, and got it into primer and got it blocked once. And what that did is that kind of left me with a blank slate where I could start to really see some of the little imperfections. And unfortunately, we've come to the stage of this, the bodywork part, where it's a lot of just the same old, like it's block and prime and block. And you can see we've got the car back in primer again, and I don't even know how many times this has been blocked and primed, but I think it's pretty close. We just have to block it a couple of more times maybe, and then it should be ready for color. So the last few weeks have been kind of a disaster around our house. As I told you last time, I've been out of the state doing COVID work, and my wife came out to visit me one week for an assignment, and when she came back home, our house had flooded. The master bathroom toilet had overflowed, the little stopper valve had failed, and it flooded, thankfully clean water, destroying pretty much the whole bedroom, bathroom, closet, the hardwood going into the bedroom, and then it dripped into the basement, and you can see it destroyed everything. So we're also trying to, coordinate with contractors to get this up and get our house put back together in the process. So I'm just going to apologize if I'm a little scattered at the moment. We've just got a ton of things going on. But I wanted to shoot this video today and let you guys see the Porsche project finally get shiny again. If you like the things that we're doing here, click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified when any new videos come out. And swing over to our merch shop. You can find a link in the description and pick up some cool Auto Anatomy gear. Thanks again, guys. And let's get on to actually getting this car shiny. Alright, so I've got the car all blocked again, tacked off twice, wet the floor down. I think it's time to mix some paint up, and what do you say? Let's make this Porsche shiny. All right, first coat is on and looking pretty good. Do have a couple of little runs, that's no big deal. I just got to let it dry and then sand those out. But overall, sharp. Can't wait to get the next coat of paint on it and then get all this paper off and see what she actually looks like in the sun. I think it's just gonna glow. All right, let's let it dry and get the next coat of paint on. All right, second coat of paint's on. It's looking good. Now I just gotta let it dry and wet sand it, polish it. I think that's gonna look sharp. I actually like the color. You know, at first I was thinking maybe, you know, painting it like guards red, just because that's the, you know, classic Porsche color. But I think that's going to turn out really, really nice. So now just to let it dry and then peel the tape off and see what it looks like. Okay, it's had a little bit of a chance to dry. Let's peel some of this tape off and see what it looks like underneath. All right, so you can see the wrap is off the car, all the paper's off, and it's gonna look fantastic. As soon as we can let it cure a little bit more and wet sand, it's just gonna be so sharp. I'm really stoked about how good this came out. Got a couple of runs and drips and, you know, just little things. I still do have to paint the hood. So the hood is there. I painted the bottom side of it. It was just black. So I'm gonna flip it over, paint it, and I've got to paint the sunroof still. So I still have a couple of bits to work on, but overall I could not be happier with how the car came out. So next time on Auto Anatomy, we're going to wet sand the car, get it all polished out, and start the assembly process. I'm going to paint all of the trim black again, and just try and touch up a few little details. Thank you again for watching and supporting our channel. Make sure that you're hitting that subscribe button and click on the bell to be notified when new videos come out. And don't forget to click above here for some cool Auto Anatomy merch, t-shirts, phone cases, that kind of stuff. Thank you again for watching. God bless. We'll see you later.